Hey everyone, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Just quickly let me know if you are able to hear me, okay? Just 1 second. Yeah. All right. Hello Sakshi. Hi Karun. Hello Gaurav. Hi Shreya. Hello Shreyashi. Hi Prudhvi. All right, this is our first lecture on polygons. Hi Parul. So far in geometry we have seen lines and angles, basics of it. Then we've looked at triangles and we've covered quadrilaterals. Yes, under quadrilaterals we've covered all types of quadrilaterals. Now what we are moving at are larger sided shapes that are polygons, right? So under polygons we will be looking at 5-sided pentagons, 6-sided shapes, hexagons, 7-sided heptagons, 8-sided, 9-sided, 10-sided, and so on, right? That's the deal. Hi Nalin. Hello Ivanshi. Okay, so the kind of questions that you get here would somehow be related to either mensuration or finding an unknown entity. Okay, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer. I am from Chennai. I have over 6 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude. Please get yourselves added to these 2 Telegram groups. The links for these groups are provided in the description. These are all the ongoing and upcoming batches. You can make yourselves a part of these. You can take your plus subscription by using my referral code Surana Live, and you can also go for the iconic subscription by using my referral code Surana Live. Yeah, chalo. Let's start with properties of polygons. Okay, a polygon, a closed figure shape, right? A polygon is called a closed figure shape. In this, there is sort of properties that are common for any kind of polygon, even for a triangle, even for a quadrilateral. Okay, first thing, sum of all interior angles must always be 180 into n minus 2, where n is nothing but number of sides. Yes, we know the number of sides will be equal to number of vertices, correct? So if I say this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6 and 7, the sum of all these 7 angles must be equal to what? 180 into 7 minus 2. Yes, which will be how much? 180 into 5 is 900 degrees. Got it? The sum should be equal to 900 degrees. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way till angle 7. Got it? This is a general term that works for a triangle also. That is why for a triangle 180 into 3 minus 2, that is 180 into 1, 180 degrees for a triangle. For a quadrilateral, 180 into 4 minus 2, so 360. Are you getting it? Yes. So can you quickly tell me how much would it be for a pentagon? How much would it be for a pentagon? Sum of all interior angles for a pentagon. How much would it be equal to? Anyone? Superb. 540, right? 180 into 5 minus 2, so which is 180 thrice 540. Clear? This works for any kind of polygon. Next, sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles must always be equal to 360 degrees, irrespective of the type of polygon that you are dealing with. Yeah. So if we say that here, this is an exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, here you can say this is an exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, this one, this one, and this one, right? Let's call them 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. When you add all of them, they will always be equal to 360, irrespective of the type of polygon, right? Any kind of polygon, exterior angles must always be equal to 360. Works with any kind of polygon. Cool. So with this you can try, you know, 1 till 7, the sum is 900. Yes, sum of all this is 900. You can write 1 as what? 180 minus 1 dash, 2 as 180 minus 2 dash, and so on, and try and check. This will always be equal to 360. Cool. And the third property is with respect to its diagonals. The number of diagonals, what do you mean by a diagonal? What is a diagonal? Diagonal is a line that joins opposite sides. Yes, it joins everything but the adjacent sides. So for 7, we would have 7 to 5 as a diagonal, 7 to 4 as a diagonal, 7 to 3 will also be a diagonal, 7 to 2 will also be a diagonal. Getting it? For 1 to 6 will be a diagonal, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2 is already a side. This is a side. So to get the number of diagonals in any given polygon, you can use n into n minus 3 by 2. Yes, n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is number of sides. So here how many would we have? We would have 7 into 7 minus 3 by 2. We will have 14 diagonals. Got it? Everyone understood? Any confusions here, guys? So there will be 14 diagonals. Yes, 14 diagonals plus 7 sides. That will give us 21 lines totally, but then diagonals will be 14. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Now there are two types of polygons. We have something called a regular polygon and an irregular polygon. Okay, first let's talk about a regular polygon. With a regular polygon, all the sides are equal. Yes, all the sides are equal. Can you quickly tell me what is a regular triangle? What is the name we have given to a regular triangle? Quickly, what is the name given to a regular triangle? Quick. All sides are equal. Which triangle has all sides equal? Superb. Equilateral triangle, right? How about a regular quadrilateral? Regular quadrilateral. How about regular quadrilateral? So a regular quadrilateral is basically a square. So here not just all the sides but all the angles must also be equal. Yes, all the interior angles must also be equal. Getting it? Yes, equal to what? 180 into n minus 2 by n. Yes, 180 into n minus 2 is the sum of all the angles. When I divide by n, I'll get each angle. Yeah. Parul, a rhombus has equal sides, but all the interior angles should also be equal. Got it? All the interior angles must also be equal. So in this case, this side, this. So in this octagon, what happens? All 8 sides are equal. Yes, all the 8 sides are equal. And not only are 8 sides equal, 8 angles will also be equal to each other. Yes, all the 8 angles will also be equal. So can you tell me what is the measure of one angle in a regular octagon? Octagon is what? 8 sides. Octa. So for an octagon, what is the measure of one angle? Theta. How much will it be? "45, 67.5, 45. So what will be the sum of all these angles? Sum of all these angles will be what? 180 into n minus 2. Correct? N minus 2 is what? 8 minus 2. Yes, so 180 into 8 minus 2 is 180 into 6. Keep it like this. 180 into 6 will be the sum of all the angles. We want for one angle. There are 8 angles, so for one it will be by 8. Correct? This comes up to how much? For 45. Yeah, so 45 thrice 135 degrees. Got it? Are you understanding this? 135 degrees. Yes, so everybody who said 45, I hope this is clear. Yes. So for an octagon, it will be what? 135 degrees each. Yes, so ultimately for 8 angles, it will become 1080. Understood? Okay, so that's with a regular triangle, regular polygon, right? A regular polygon, all the angles, all the sides will be equal. Yes, and all the exterior angles will also be equal. So if I say this angle is 135, then how much will be this part of the angle, the exterior angle? How much will this be? This is a straight line, that is 180 degrees, so this will become what? 180 minus 135. Getting it? This will become 45 degrees. So the 45 degrees that you guys were saying, that is of what? That is of exterior angles, not interior, exterior. Okay. Hi Ankit, thank you buddy. I hope you guys understand this. If any part of this, if you are not able to understand, please ask. Okay, each of these will be 45. Because this is 135, this will also be equal to 45. This will also be equal to 45. So how many 45s will we have? We will have 8 45s, right? 45 degrees into 8 external angles, which is equal to 360 degrees. So sum of all external angles will always be equal to 360. Listen to me carefully. Sum of all external angles will always be equal to 360. If it's a regular polygon, let's say if it's a regular octagon, then each angle will be equal to what? 360 by number of sides, 8. 45 degrees. If this is 45, then this is 135. You can also find it out like this. Understood? Yes, and an interior angle and an exterior angle will always be equal to 180. Need not be adjacent, right? Any interior angle and any exterior angle. For example, if this is 135 and I say this angle, how much will this be? How much will this be equal to? If this is 135, then this must be equal to 45. Getting it? Sum of any interior angle and any exterior angle will always be equal to 180. Cool. Perimeter of that particular polygon will be sum of all the sides. If I say side is A, there are how many sides here? 8 sides. So perimeter becomes 8 times A. If it's a nonagon, 9 sides, so it will be 9 times A. If it's a decagon, 10 times A. So perimeter of that particular regular polygon, works only with regular polygon, not any polygon, regular polygon, will be n times A. Yes, where n is the number of sides. Yes. And how about the central angle? The central angle always will be equal to 360. Yes, central angle will always be equal to 360. Central angle is what? The angle formed by the intersection of all the diagonals, right? Not all the diagonals, opposite sides basically. Yes, so its opposite side is this, here the opposite side is this, and so on, right? So how much would this be? This be equal to 360. If all of them is equal to 360, then how much will this angle be? Anyone? What will be the measure for this angle? Anybody? This will be what? 360 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? 360 by 8, which is equal to 45. Yeah, which is the same as the external angle. So you can say this angle will be equal to the external angle, but this works where? Only in a regular polygon. I hope you are understanding this. Yes, and in a regular polygon, this length will also be equal. This length will be equal to this, will be equal to this, equal. So if you are to find the area, if you want to find the area, then you basically use the area of a isosceles triangle and multiply it 8 times. I hope you are understanding that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 isosceles triangles. Identify the area of one isosceles triangle, multiply it into 8, you will get the area of the entire polygon. Getting it? Yes, take this, find this area, multiply it into 8, you will get the area of the entire thing. Cool. So there are different formulas for different shapes. Yes, for pentagon there is a formula, for hexagon there is a formula, but every time remembering so many formulae will only confuse you, right? You will get super confused if you are to sit and remember those formulae. So instead of remembering the formula, what you can do is focus on identifying the area of one triangle. Once you identify the area of this, multiply it into the number of triangles, you will get it. Yeah, clear? No confusions, right? Shall we move on? Yeah. Now let's go to irregular polygon. What's an irregular polygon? It is clear that if a regular polygon has all sides equal, all angles equal, then irregular polygon, they may not be equal. Yes, irregular polygon, all sides are not equal. Each of these sides would be different from each other, or 2 could be same, 3 could be same, n-1 could be same, right? But not all will be equal. Yes, these could be same or different, but at least one will not be the same. Number 2, all interior angles may not be the same. Yes, all may be same except for one. Getting it? At least one will not be equal. Yes, all exterior angles ultimately will not be equal. If this is theta 1 this is theta 2, then the exterior angle here will be 180 minus theta 2, here it will be 180 minus theta 1. If theta 1 and theta 2 are not equal, then the exterior angles will ultimately not be equal. Yes, and perimeter you're gonna have to individually find out, there's no other way. Individually find out A1, A2 because they are all different. The perimeter will basically be their individual sum. Yes, although these sides are not equal, this is still called an octagon. Yes, because there are 8 sides on it. Yes, but this will be called what? An irregular octagon. Clear? Yes, and if you want to find the area of this, if you are interested in finding the area of this, then what do? You find the area of parts. Yes, find it through finding the area of the parts. Yes, for example, in this case, in this case what would happen? Area of this octagon, irregular octagon, will be area of this square. If it's a square or if it's a rectangle, depending upon the shape. Then this one, this one, this one, this one. You have to identify different parts. Yes, once you identify area of different parts, add them all together, this will make you they give you the area of the entire polygon. Clear? So there is no formula for irregular polygon. There are formulas for regular polygons, but remembering them could be a task. Understood? Any confusions here, guys? Shall we try out some questions now? Say yes, we can try out some questions. Say yes and we'll try out some questions. Chalo. Okay, before we move on to the questions, guys, quick reminder, the prices for the subscription are about to go up. Before they go up, take the subscription, use my referral code Surana Life. Go ahead, try this quickly. Very simple question, very easy question. Shreya says 7. Very good, Shreya. Superb. How about others? Very simple question, no? Others, quickly answer. Gaurav says 7, very good. Parul says 9. Okay. So they have given an interior angle of a polygon with n sides is 140 degrees. One angle is 140 degrees, not all. Prithvi says 9, very good. Sakshi says 9, superb. Alright, so we know that sum of all angles will be equal to what? 180 into n minus 2, correct? 180 into n minus 2. Yes, and for each angle it will be by n. Yes, for each angle if we want to find out, it will be by n. Yes, so what do you get here? You get 180n minus 360 is equal to 140n. or 40n is equal to 360, you get n is equal to 9. Yes, so going for 9 is, you know, not a bad idea. 9, yeah, makes sense. But I have a question for you. So 9 will be for a shape like this, correct? 9 will be for a shape like this. Yes, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, correct? 9 angles, 9 sides, nonagon. Yeah, what is this? This is called a regular nonagon. 9 sides, right? Nonagon. Now I have a question. Does anywhere in the question does anywhere does it say that the sides are equal or the angles are equal, or does it use the word regular anywhere in the question? Does it say regular anywhere in the question? So a regular nonagon could be like this. We could also have a shape like this, no? We could also have a shape like this, and we could say this angle is 140. It only says an interior angle of with n sides is 140. Here, do you know how many sides would it have? If it's a shape like this, irregular polygon, will you be able to guess the sides? Yes. So what is our answer? Our actual answer is not 9. It is option D, cannot be determined. Yes. So unless and until it is mentioned that the given polygon is a regular polygon, please do not assume it to be. समझ गए? साक्षी, नलिन, इवांशी, पृथ्वी, पारुल, गौरव, श्रेया, ये 7 तो पूरा ही रॉन्ग है, बट स्टिल yes. So option B, 9 is actually a trap. Okay, read the question carefully, don't be in a rush. ठीक है, चलो. Akansha, calculator you can use on screen calculator. You will have a calculator on the screen. Yes, just like you have it on your computer. Computer पे जो calculator होता है वैसा. ठीक है. Okay, go ahead, start solving this. Prudhvi says D. How about others? Anyone else? Answers? Thank you, Rahul. Anybody else answer? कोई और? They're asking its area, right? So let's say this is your hexagon, right? They have mentioned it is a regular hexagon. Very important to know. Regular hexagon. Yes. Gaurav also says D, none of the above. Okay. So with a regular hexagon, what do we know? We know all sides will be equal. Yes, all these sides will be equal. And what do we know about the angles? What will be each angle? We know that the exterior angle, yes, listen to this carefully, the exterior angles will add up to 360. Yes, so 360 by 6 sides, each of the exterior angles is 60. This is equal to 60. If this is 60, then what will be the interior angle? If the exterior angle is 60, interior angle must be 120, correct? Yes. Why am I talking about this? Because if I join opposite sides, if I join opposite vertices, what will I find? I will find 6 equilateral triangles. This angle will be 60. Correct? This is 60. This is 60. This is also 60. Why is this 60? Because 360 by 6, 60. Correct? So what do you get? You get 6 equilateral triangles. So area of a hexagon, regular hexagon, should be equal to 6 times area of equilateral triangle. Yeah. What is area of this particular equilateral triangle? Base is what? So now they're saying perimeter is 720. Perimeter of a regular hexagon is basically 6 times each side, which is 720. So I know that each side is what? 120 units. Do you agree? Each side is 120 units. Yes, guys. So once we figured out each side is 120 units, this is 120, this is 120, this is also 120, then area of a equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 a square, which is equal to root 3 by 4 into 120 square, which is 14400. This is of 1. Yes, this is for 1. We want for 6. So area of a regular hexagon is equal to 6 into root 3 by 4 into this. Yes, this is what? 3 times 2 times, what do you get? 3 root 3 into 7200. Yes, which comes up to approximately 37412 square units. Understood? What is our answer? Option B. Yes, guys. Any doubts here? Into 6 करना भूल गए थे. No issues. Yeah, Rahul. Option B सही है. Option B is the right answer. Yes. So you can go for area of hexagon separately, but it is of no use. Yes, going for area of hexagon separately is of no use, है ना? Getting it? Because if you can split this and understand it from here, then there's nothing like it. Yes, otherwise if you want the area of a hexagon, here formula, area of regular hexagon is equal to root 3 by 2 a square, which is basically what we derived. We just derived it. Done? Understood, everyone? Shall we move on? Chalo, let's go to the next question. Here's the next question. What is the area of a regular octagon with side 8 centimeters? Quickly try. Rahul says A. How about others? Quick, others try करो जल्दी. Ajay says A. Rahul, there is no limit like that. You can start whenever you want. It depends upon individuals, how much you know, how much good you are, how much time you can spend, like on a daily basis. How many hours can you attend classes, how many times can you practice, how many times can you give mock tests. So it all depends on that. There is no fixed time for it. One attempt every year, you can give how many ever you want. One attempt every year, you can give as many attempts as you want. Nobody is going to stop you. Nalin also says A. Very good. So for a regular octagon, see, you have a regular octagon, all the sides are equal, and they are saying what? All the sides are equal to 8. Yes, 8 centimeter each. Okay. Now for you to get the area of this, you can split them, but what kind of angles will they be? What type of triangles will there be? Will these be equilateral triangles? Can you guys tell me if these will be equilateral triangles? No. Why? Central angle is 360. There are 8 angles, so 360 by 8 is how much? 45 degrees. Yes, so each of these is how much? 45 degrees. And since these sides are equal, these two sides are equal, what do you get? This will be 135 by 2, 135 by 2, correct? 67.5 degrees, 67.5 degrees. Is this an equilateral triangle? Definitely not. Yes, definitely not an equilateral triangle. Understood? So with a regular octagon, it becomes a little complex for us to identify area of each of these, because this is an isosceles triangle. You know the base, but you do not know the height. Do you know this distance? This distance? Not really, right? If you know this distance, this perpendicular height, then you can find the area easily. Otherwise it becomes very difficult, right? So for an regular octagon, you can directly go for the formula if you can remember it. Yes, area of a regular octagon is equal to 2 into 1 plus root 2 times a square, where a is the length of each side. Yes, a is the length of each side. Here we cannot use trigonometry also to get it, because this is 45, right? This is 45. You can use tan 45 to get it if you want, but tan 45 will give you this side, then you draw the perpendicular, then you find out the height. Are you getting this? If I use trigonometry here, tan 45 is 1, sorry, not tan 45, sine 45 if I go for. Yes, again opposite, there's no adjacent, there's no 90 degree here, right? No hypotenuse, so again we get stuck. Yes, can't use. So you'll either have to go for sine theta by 2. This concept, it becomes complex. Yes, so instead what you do is remember this. Or if by any chance if they give you one of the sine values, or if they give you one of the tan value, cos values, or if they give you the height, then you can go about it. Understood? I hope you are able to understand this, guys. Yeah, so what will be our area? Area of this regular octagon is going to be a square is 8 square into 2 plus 2 root 2, which is option A. Done? Shall we move on? Okay, here's your next question. Quickly answer this. This should be very easy now. This should be extremely easy now. Everybody says C. Superb. C is the right answer. Yes, they're saying there is a regular octagon and sum of any two sides is 20. That means I can take any two sides. I can take this side, I can take this side. Yes, technically 2 times A is equal to 20, so A will be equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, if we find out one of the sides, then we can directly go for the areas formula, which is what? 2 into 1 plus root 2 times A square, which is A square is 100, 200 plus 200 root 2 centimeter square. Cool. Try the next one. Read this carefully. Here's your figure. कर दिया था रोहित लॉक. how many seats are there? Rahul, ऐसा नहीं होता है. This is not where there are fixed number of applications. Fixed number नहीं होते. बहुत सारे colleges हैं, बहुत सारे programs हैं, हर program में बहुत सारे seats होते हैं, right? So it depends upon which college, all that. Quickly try this question. Sakshi Ivanshi says C, option C, 7:12. How about others? बाकी लोग? So what are they saying? They're saying ABCDs are regular. I'll explain, but I'll wait for some more people to answer. सिर्फ 2 लोगों ने आंसर किया और थोड़े कर लेंगे तो फिर we can go ahead. So they're saying this is 5 parts. This is 2 parts. Yes, superb Gaurang. 5 parts, 2 parts. Yes. So totally it is how many? A, B full thing is 7 parts, correct? Each of these is 7 parts. So find the ratio of lengths to AF to PR. AF to PR, AF is 7 parts, that is clear. Yes, so looks more like C should be our answer, okay? But since we are talking about ratios, right, this can be written as 14:49, right? You get it? So this is a multiple of 7 only. 14 is a multiple of 7, you never know. So what do you do now? You check for which side now. AF is done, we want PR, right? We want to find out how much is this. So what we are going to do now is we are going to extend this, okay? Extend this in such a way that you form an equilateral triangle. Yes, you form an equilateral triangle. If this is 7, this is also 7, this is also 7. You extend them in 60 degrees. Yes, so ये एक equilateral triangle बन गया. Now what do you have? You have 2 triangles. Yes, triangle, let's call this क्या नहीं letter use किया हुआ है? G. Let's call this G, right? So triangle AGF and compare it to triangle बड़ा वाला PGR. Yes, what do you know? It is given that PR is parallel to AF, right? AF is parallel to PR. If they are parallel, the bases are parallel, bases of these triangles are parallel, then what do you know? You know that both these triangles are similar. AGF is similar to triangle PGR, correct? Why? Because these angles will ultimately become equal. Yes, this angle will become equal to this, this angle will become equal to this, and this is a common angle any which ways. समझ गए? So what will be the ratio now? If they are similar, I can say that yeah, we can say that GF, yeah, okay, GA AG by GP should be the same as AF by PR, correct? This is AG is 7, GP will be what? 7 plus 7 plus 5, 12. So this will also be 7 by PR, right? AF by PR, which is what? 7:12. Got it? Right, Rohit, superb. Understood. This is 5, this will ultimately become 5, but you need to be sure of it. So yeah, done. Once you prove they are similar, then you can say this is 5, this is also 5, because this is 12, it should also be that ratio. No, how is an equilateral triangle formed, Nalin? एक equilateral triangle आप कैसे form करते हो? If there is a line, you form a 60 degrees arc here, you form a 60 degrees का arc here, it will meet at one point, ना? 60 degrees, it will meet at a point, right? समझे, Nalin? That's it. Cool. Chalo. Next question. Here's your next one. Read the question. आराम से read करो और फिर answer करो, ठीक है? No hurry. Approximately what would be the answer? Answer choice बराबर ही है. Quickly try. Answers, anyone? Any guesses? Okay, chalo, koi guesses? These are rounded off values, okay? These are not exact values, these are rounded off values. 14, 12, 14, 12, others. Gaurav says 13. Okay. No, I will not take your name. I won't. Okay, so you have a regular hexagon, right? You have a regular hexagon. What will be the shortest diagonal? What will be the shortest diagonal? The shortest diagonal will be one of the legs of your perpendicular, correct? Should be what? AE should be your shortest diagonal. Agreed? Yes or no? AE will become the shortest diagonal. Yes or no, guys? Quickly tell me. So we are saying this is 10. Yes, this is 10. What will be the longest diagonal? If AE is the shortest, longest will be this hypotenuse, correct? This will be longest. This is what we have to find out. Yes, this is exactly what we have to find out. This is 90 because perpendicular. What will happen to this angle? You know that interior angle of each side, interior angle, this will be 60 degrees. So this is 120 degrees, correct? And you know this will make a bisector, right? AD bisects this, correct? AD bisects angle D. That means this will become 60, this will become 60. That's all you need. So what is this triangle? This triangle is a 30, 60, 90 special triangle. Finish. Yes, 30, 60, 90 special triangle. Yes, so what do you get? Opposite to 30 is A, opposite to 90 is 2A, opposite to 60 is root 3A. What do you have? You have opposite to 60 as 10. This is equal to 10. If root 3 times A is equal to 10 centimeter, what do we want? We want 90 ke opposite wala. We want X. This is X, right? So 2A, which is nothing but our unknown, X will be what? 20 by root 3. Got it? Yes, 20 by root 3. We all know that square root of 3 is 1.73. So go 20 divided by 1.73 will be 11.56 approximately, which can be rounded off to 12 centimeters. Option A. Got it? Did everyone understand? Quickly tell me yes, no if you understood or not. Yeah. So most concepts that are a part of polygons are also very, very simple, right? You don't have to think too much about it. They're very simple to get it. Okay. Now, right. So guys, this Sunday, tomorrow 12 p.m. you have, tomorrow 12 p.m. you have your combat. Okay, please be a part of it. Use my referral code Surana live when you log in. Apart from that, we will be doing a quiz now. Yes, we will be doing a quiz now. So let's go ahead. I'll quickly give you the quiz ID. Give me 1 second. So if you do not have the app, download the app immediately. Register using your mobile number. Yes, when you register, enter my referral code Surana Live and go to tests. Yes, if you go to tests, see, this is how you log into the test. Look at this part. Go to tests, go to live quiz. Once you go to live quiz, there will be join quiz. Click on that. Once you click on join quiz, it will ask you for a code. Yes, it's going to ask you for a code. You just have to enter that code. Yeah, I'm starting the quiz. I'm giving you the quiz ID. The ID for the quiz is 136949. I'll write it down for you. 136949. Quickly log into this, jaldi se. We are doing a quiz on geometry. Quiz on geometry. Quickly join in. यहाँ पे आने के बाद you'll have to enter the code. Yes. Again, I'll tell you how to do it. Download the app, register, go select CAT. Okay, when you register, select CAT. Then quickly go to tests. Under tests, you will have quiz. Click on that. You will see join quiz, host quiz. So one person has already joined. Quickly others also join, guys. जल्दी से ज्वाइन करो. Because we've completed majority of the concepts, you will need. Yeah, Rohit, it can appear. Yes. Have you joined? Okay, I'm going to start the quiz, guys. Quickly join karo. Immediately join. I'm going to start. This quiz won't be downloading app. Go ahead, Rohit. No issues. I'll wait. The questions won't be available on the screen. यहाँ पे YouTube पे आपको नहीं दिखेंगे वो questions. They're gonna have to go download the app, register yourselves, go to the app and then do it. Registering will take you just 2-3 minutes. That's it. I'll wait for y'all. Quickly do it and give me a yes. Send me a yes when you are ready. Okay, 4. Sakshi, I'll inform that in the group. Telegram group में मैं information दूंगा. I'll send you a Telegram message with the link if we are doing tomorrow 7 o'clock. Okay. हो गए क्या? रजिस्टर हो गया रोहित? बाकी लोग जल्दी आओ. नलिन, साहिल, साक्षी, श्रेयशी, वांशी. कम ऑन गाइस, क्विकली ज्वाइन. हाँ करो करो. You were the first to join, नलिन. Nice. उसके लिए अगर कोई बोनस होता तो अच्छा होता. नहीं करें क्या स्टार्ट? The process is simple. देखो, go to, once you've registered, click on the menu, go to special और plus और whatever. अभी I guess ये करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको नीचे में ही दिखेगा. Do you see नीचे में browse syllabus test करके होगा, दिख रहा है क्या? Yes, browse home syllabus test करके होगा. Test पे क्लिक करो. Once you click on test, you will see live quiz. ऊपर में ब्लू कलर का कॉम्बैट है, उसके नीचे यू हैव लाइव क्विज. क्लिक ऑन दैट लाइव क्विज. राइट कॉर्नर, लोअर राइट कॉर्नर में होगा ज्वाइन क्विज. क्लिक ऑन दैट, टाइप दिस ID 136949. Once you are done typing this ID 136949, you will have joined this. ठीक है, चलो, I'm starting the quiz. Guys, there's an issue with the quiz. Guys, सुनो, issue with the quiz. I'll give you new ID. One second, I'll host new quiz. 1 second, guys. या न्यू आईडी गाइस, इसमें बहुत कम टाइम आ रहा है, ओनली 20 seconds, नॉट इनफ. क्विकली गो टू दिस 275281. जल्दी गाइस, जल्दी से ज्वाइन करो. 275281. टू 275281. जल्दी से आ जाओ. ये कभी कभी होता है इंटरफेस में. 20 seconds इज टू लेस. चलो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं, ठीक है. आई एम स्टार्टिंग. 275281. जल्दी से ज्वाइन हो जाओ जल्दी, क्विक. 275281. Very simple question. All right, very good. Superb, गौरव. रॉन्ग आंसर था बट ठीक है, अटेम्प्ट तो किया. बी क्विक गाइज, बी क्विक. ओके, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सर्कल्स. अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो डोंट वरी, सर्कल्स पे है. अगर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है तो डोंट वरी, ठीक है. हाँ रोहित, वही है, टाइम का ही वांदा है यहाँ पे, बट डोंट वरी, जितना हो सके ट्राई करो। Okay, time's up. Mixed responses. Very good Aditya, Nalin. No issues. Rohit, Meher, Gaurav, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर नहीं आया करेक्ट. We'll learn how to answer these. Okay, ये Polygon से है, quickly try करो. This question is from Polygon. Quick, very easy. Very simple question. Superb. Very good. This is a very simple question guys, very simple question. जल्दी करो. Very simple question. Very easy question, guys. All the sides are increased by 25%. Very good, Aditya. Sakshi, Nalin. Another simple question. नो इश्यूज. अगर अभी क्वेश्चंस कॉम्प्लेक्स लग रहे तो डोंट वरी, या टाइम कम पड़ रहा है तो डोंट वरी. लुक एट दोज क्वेश्चंस अगेन. तो इन क्वेश्चंस के जो हैं स्क्रीनशॉट्स लेके रखना. यस, कीप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस विथ यू, ताकि आप इनको बाद में भी यूज़ कर सकें, है ना. Very easy question. Very good, Aditya, Sakshi. बाकी no issues if you're getting it wrong, don't worry, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. रेगुलर पॉलीगन है. ये तो फट से हो जाएगा. वो वाला क्वेश्चन 10th में था. तो वही क्वेश्चंस बहुत सिंपल है. क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी सिंपल, इजीली डूएबल. Okay, this will definitely take you much time. This will definitely take you much time. 80 seconds are not enough, but कोशिश करो. Had we done this earlier, ये easy होता. बहुत सिंपल है. डायग्राम पे फोकस करो. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल. Okay. Not bad guys. Not bad. Chalo, next question. Okay, continuation of the same question. Soybean to ragi, both are segments. If you know it, answer, otherwise don't fret. अगर आ रहा है आपको तो आंसर करो, वरना छोड़ दो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. सर्कल्स जब करेंगे ना, फिर वापस वो वाले क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आएगा समझ में. निधि सेगमेंट्स नहीं आता, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. आई गेस अपन कल से या परसों से सर्कल स्टार्ट कर देंगे. अपना पॉलीगन्स हो चुका है, वी हैव सर्कल्स टू स्टार्ट. एक बार सर्कल्स हो गया तो फिर सेगमेंट, सेक्टर्स सब आराम से आ जाएगा. ओके, सेम क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यूड है, सेम क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यूड. सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पोर्शन. टेन सेकेंड्स. ठीक है, ये वाले खत्म. हाँ, आगे अभी अलग आएंगे, वो वाले खत्म. सुपर्ब साक्षी, वेरी गुड. Others quick. Right, rhombus. Very simple. Very simple question. You need to find the area of the rhombus. We've done this similar question आज अपन ने किया है. Once you know the property of intersection of the diagonals, बहुत easy question. Very good guys, very good, superb. Amazing work, Sakshi. ओके, डेटा सफिशिएंसी सर्कल है, ट्राई करो, होता है तो ठीक, नहीं तो कोई इश्यू नहीं, गैस मार दो, रैंडम गैस मार दो. They want the length of the line segment, AB line segment. Okay, very simple. You don't have to answer the question, you only have to say which is sufficient. Very good, very good. Good job, guys. Hexagon. Very good. Superb, Sakshi. Very good, Aditya. Very nice, Nalin. Okay. Others, no issues. अगर नहीं आ रहा तो don't worry. Okay. Don't feel sad about it. Ten seconds left. Very good, Aditya. Superb. if you think the question is too small, you can tap on the question. Question पे tap करोगे तो it will become full screen. Okay. Very simple question. If you know the property of tangent and radius intersection, what is it? Tangent and radius intersect at Rohit. Superb. Good job, guys. Good job. Data sufficiency, nahi, comparison of data. Longest diagonal, we just saw this. Longest diagonal, we just saw this. Just now we saw this. Easily you can answer. Very easy. The previous question was, you could have done it mentally itself. Okay, quickly try this. You know the formula for both areas. You know the formula. You can also use ratios. Very good, Pankaj. Nice try, Keshav. सो सिंपल जल्दी करो, जल्दी, क्विक, बहुत इजी है ये। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, पूरा मेंटली कर सकते हो ये क्वेश्चन। लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी गेट दिस राइट। %67%, superb. Very good, Sakshi, back on top. Very nice, Pankaj. This a similar question we have done in time, speed, distance. Very good. No issues. We just saw this question. Question repeated. The question is repeated. This is very simple. If you want, I'll go to that question. Here it is. Longest diagonal. You can check this for confirmation. Congratulations, superb, very good guys. Congratulations, Sakshi, Aditya, Nalin, top 3. Others also, good job. Okay, the last question that you saw, last question, so you can do it this way. I'll just tell you that question. So simple, you can do it mentally. So for a hexagon we've already seen, right? For a hexagon, right, longest diagonal is this x. Yes, they're saying the perimeter is 36. Perimeter of this is 36, that means this is 6. If this is 6, then this is 12, correct? Yes, so diagonal of that hexagon is 12, that is proved. Yeah, diagonal of hexagon is 12. Okay, now you want diagonal of that rectangle. Yes, now rectangle perimeter is 36. The rectangle could be any type. Yes, but the smallest will be what? The smallest diagonal will be when the sides are equal, correct? That is, if I have a square 9 centimeter each, if this is your rectangle 9 centimeter each, then how much will this be? This will be equal to 9 root 2. Yes, how much is 9 root 2? Root 2 is 1.414 into 9, which is 12 point. Diameter, the diagonal of that rectangle is what? 12.726. So if you increase, let's say if I increase this, yes, if I reduce 1 centimeter here, make this 8. If I make this 8 and 8 and I make this 10 and 10, yeah, will the diagonal increase or decrease? The diagonal will definitely increase, right? Are you getting this? How much will this become? If I make this 8 and 10, how much will the diagonal become? 164 ka root. What is root 164? Approximately will be 12.8. Yes, the diagonal will only keep increasing. So this is the minimum diagonal that the rectangle could have. Done. So whatever be the length of the rectangle, you will always get diagonal of the rectangle to be greater than diagonal of the hexagon. Finish. Understood? सिंपल क्वेश्चन, बस लॉजिक है उसमें, समझे क्या? I hope you understood that. Yes, ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार आ गया, मतलब 2 times you could have gotten the score. Understood? Yes or no, guys? ये वाला आया क्या समझ में? Yes, no? Got it? And there were other questions also, very simple ones. This one, square inscribed in a circle. Yes, square inscribed in a circle, very simple. Circle, this is the square. Yes, if this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, then the diameter will be what? 8 root 2. Yes, diameter is 8 root 2, radius is 4 root 2. You want area, that's it, done. Area of the circle is pi r square, which is pi into 16 into 2, 32 pi. And area of the square is 8 square, 64. Subtract this, you have your answer. बहुत सिंपल था वो वाला, उसमें भी बहुत लोग गलती कर दिए. So 32 pi is basically 32 into 3.14, which is 100.48. This was 64. 35.48 something you would have gotten. Understood? Sorry, 36.48. Yes. दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. हाँ, बेसिक्स याद नहीं आया, करेक्ट. नहीं, बट ये सब बहुत इजी वाले क्वेश्चंस, वही वाले बता रहा हूँ मैं. बाकी चलो थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग थे बाकी क्वेश्चंस, बट ये वाले इजी थे. इवन दिस वन, इवन दिस क्वेश्चन, कौन सा, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल और हेक्सागन वाला. एरिया ऑफ हेक्सागन इज 3 into root 3 by 2, correct? A square. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4, b ले लो, b square. So what do they want us to compare? The perimeter, right? So first find out the height, that's it, khatam. This is equal to 36 root 3, they're saying 36 root 3 cancel. A square is equal to 24. A is equal to root 24, which is 2 root 6. है ना, समझ रहे हो? बहुत इजी, बहुत इजी. Same way here, this is 36 root 3, so this is gone. B square is 36 into 4, तो b इज इक्वल टू 24. ये रूट 24 है, ये 24 है, किसका पेरीमीटर ज़्यादा रहेगा? दिस इंटू 6 पेरीमीटर विल बी 12 रूट 6. दिस इंटू 3 इज डेफिनेटली ग्रेटर देन दैट. दैट्स इट. गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड? नो इश्यूज, नो इश्यूज. कोई नहीं साक्षी, क्वेश्चंस नहीं देख सकते वापस, क्वेश्चंस नहीं देख सकते वापस. मैं आई हैव टेकन स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस, यू कांट रीवॉच द क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, सॉरी इफ आई डिडंट इन्फॉर्म दैट टू यू अर्लियर. And there were some very easy questions also. कोई कोई तो देख के बताए जैसे थे क्वेश्चंस, बहुत सारे. कोई कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स थे, दैट वाज ओके. द वंस दैट वर कॉम्प्लेक्स, वो डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, दैट वाज कॉम्प्लेक्स. ये वाला भी तो इजी था, 2 पैरेलल लाइन वाला. 2 पैरेलल लाइंस, यू हैड 1 ट्रांसवर्सल एंड दिस वन, A to A, B to B. This is big angle, this small angle, big angle मिला के 3A plus 3B is equal to 180. So A plus B is equal to 60. 2 times A plus B is equal to 120. अगर ये दोनों मिला के 120 हो गया तो ये कितना 60. खत्म. कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चंस कुछ ज़्यादा इजी थे, मतलब 80 सेकेंड्स में आराम से हो जाता. करेक्ट साक्षी, सुपर, फिनिश. है ना, लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट एट ऑल. A प्लस बी करते तो भी आ जाता. दिस वुड हैव बीन, दिस 60 वुड हैव बीन इक्वल टू दिस A प्लस दिस B, है ना. बाकी ये वाला भी इजी था. Largest distance between any 2 points of a regular hexagon, 6 centimeter. That one was also easy, है ना. Largest distance is basically your largest diagonal. This is the largest distance. X is the largest distance. This is your diagonal. So they're telling your diagonal is 6. Yes, diagonal is 6. They want us to find out the distance between two parallel sides. Yes, two parallel sides will be what? This is parallel, this is parallel. इन दोनों के बीच का distance. This one. Yeah, this is also easy because you know this is ये 6 है तो ये 3 होगा. Each of these will become 3. Yeah, each of these will become 3. ये 60. Okay, you can find out this. This will be equal to this will be equal to this, right? Equal है ये दोनों. ये भी 6 होगा, ये 3 होगा, तो ये क्या हो गया? 3√3. 30, 60, 90 right triangle. समझ गए? 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So simple. So some questions were dead easy. मतलब बेसिक्स पता है तो आराम से कर सकते हो, वरना साक्षी पिथागोरस थ्योरम. साक्षी, रेक्टेंगल का डायमीटर डायगोनल इज बेसिकली बाय पिथागोरस थ्योरम. आप पिथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करो, उससे यू वुड डायरेक्टली गेट इट. हाँ, पेरीमीटर दिया था तो वी जस्ट वेंट फॉर द मिनिमम. अपन मिनिमम के लिए गए थे. मिनिमम डायगोनल विल बी व्हेन इट्स अ स्क्वायर. 9 सेंटीमीटर अगर होता है ना, स्क्वायर होता है, तभी ये दैट इज व्हेन द डायगोनल इज मिनिमम. यस, क्योंकि अपने को क्या करना है, सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. इसको मिनिमम रखना है. इफ सी स्क्वायर हैज टू बी मिनिमम, दैट मीन्स ए स्क्वायर एंड बी स्क्वायर शुड बी मैक्सिमम. इफ बोथ हैव टू बी मैक्सिमम, मतलब ये दोनों इक्वल होने चाहिए. समझ रहे हो साक्षी? सी स्क्वायर मिनिमम मतलब ये दोनों मैक्सिमम, ये दोनों मैक्सिमम मतलब इक्वल. तो पिथागोरस थ्योरम से ये क्या हो गया? 9√2. या 9√2 इज 12 से ज़्यादा. तो मिनिमम में ही अगर 12 से ज़्यादा है तो, और अगर बढ़ गया तो और डायगोनल बढ़ेंगे. डायगोनल बढ़ गया मतलब यू विल हैव योर डन. चलो ठीक है गाइस, दिस वाज अ गुड क्विज. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस थे, मजा आया. Don't forget to join tomorrow's combat. Please use my code Surana Live for joining. If you are a member of Plus or Iconic, then when you have doubts, you don't have to wait for anybody. You can use the Ask a Doubt feature, where you click on Ask a Doubt, click a picture of your doubt or choose one from your gallery, highlight the parts, just select which section it's from, and you will get your solution. Yes, you don't have to wait, you don't have to ask anybody. बस subscription ले लो and you can keep asking as many doubts as you want to. Yeah, thank you very much guys for being a part of the session. DILR के लिए कौन से books अच्छे हैं? You can go with standard books itself, रोहित. कोई इसके लिए अलग से लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो standard books है वही ले सकते हो. You can go for Arun Sharma, you can go for the regular DILR books. But books लेने से अच्छा you can take the subscription, because जो books लिख रहे हैं अरुण शर्मा सर, वो खुद यहाँ पे DILR पढ़ाते हैं Unacademy पे. So that'll be more beneficial than buying a book, right? Learning directly from him. Okay guys, thank you very much. You are a Plus member, Rohit. Superb. तब फिर आप बुक्स के लिए क्यों, मतलब यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो फॉर हिज क्लासेस, राइट. उनके क्लासेस हैं, बहुत सारे DILR एजुकेटर्स हैं, उनके क्लासेस, उनके नोट्स ही इनफ रहेंगे. अच्छा, यू लुकिंग फॉर मॉडरेट लेवल बुक्स? हाँ, देन यू कैन गो फॉर अरुण शर्मा's DILR. Okay guys, thank you very much. Tomorrow morning 7 AM वाला class I will confirm in the group. Okay, I'll give the confirmation in the group. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead. सॉरी 8 PM का क्लास है आज. हाँ, वी हैव एन 8 PM क्लास. बी देयर. बाय बाय बाय.